welcome to the Foxtail YouTube channel. My name is Meher and I'm the social media executive at Foxtail. Today we're going to be reacting to one of the most anticipated and popular skincare routines of all time. You guessed it, we are reacting to Alia Bhatt's skincare routine. Now this routine went viral all over YouTube. And we are going to be reacting and decoding it for you guys so you know what she's using and is it really genetics that's working on her face or just her skincare routine. Now I know she's revolutionized the beauty movement along with Janhvi and Kareena, but the reason why I connect with her on a deeper level is because she's unapologetically herself, whether it's in front of the paps or in front of the camera. Alia has also been one of those actresses who has popularized the minimal, dewy, no makeup look. And I'm sure you are as fascinated by her spotless complexion and her glowing skin as I am. Now, what we need to see is how she balances 18-hour-long work days along with having an excellent diet as well as fitness routine to come off glowing on screen. Let's be real. No amount of skincare is going to work if you're going to have 18-hour-long work days and you're going to end up looking tired on screen. So I'm actually curious to find out how she manages all that while looking like that. So let's find out what the tea is.
I'm about to start hair and makeup. और hair और makeup के पहले मेरे को skin को थोड़ा सा जगाना है.
Now this is excellent. Like she knows what she's doing clearly.
Okay, ये मेरा traveling skincare kit है क्योंकि कभी मैं skincare गाड़ी में करती हूँ, कभी van में करती हूँ, कभी lift में करती हूँ.
We love a girl on the go.
I'm constantly doing my skincare everywhere. It has all these products, but before doing my skincare, क्योंकि मैं अभी so.
Okay, Alia girl, I see you. I mean, I hate to be nitpicky from the get-go, but I really hope she sanitizes her hands or at least washes them before touching her face to avoid any sort of bacteria getting on and breaking out a few days later. I mean, she clearly said so that she does her skincare routine from her lift to her car, and we love that. We love a girl on the go. So I'm rooting for you, but I really hope you do that.
It has all these products, but before doing my skincare, क्योंकि मैं अभी सो के उठी हूँ and it's like
love that
in the morning, मैं ये use
she's using a face massager.
Skin
massager.
massager जो भी morning वाला sort of water retention है वो चला जाता है. So this is like a spray which I use just to keep the skin a little bit like.
Now she's using a face massager, which is a great step in her skincare routine, considering she has early call times and often when you wake up and it's just on set, you have a puffy face and she clearly wants to avoid that if she has to be on camera. Now I know all of you are curious as to which tool is that. Now that is the 24K Gold Gillian Dempsey Beauty Bar and she is using it in a fab way. These massagers are great for lymphatic drainage and clearly when you wake up with a puffy face, if you use one of these tools, you're immediately drawing the lymph away from the swollen areas of the face to give you a more sculpted look and making you instantly ready. Also, it's great if you just stick this in the fridge for a couple of hours before using them. So it has a cooling effect and a soothing effect. And this one, I guess, is vibrating as well. So it instantly is going to wake her up and it's going to make her skin flawless.
Massager, जो भी morning वाला sort of water retention है वो चला जाता है.
She's using Fix Plus. Now, I don't know how I feel about that, to be very honest, because Fix Plus to me is a makeup setting spray. And I guess if she's doing her makeup after this, it's going to make a lot more sense to me. But ideally, you don't really use a setting spray or a Fix Plus with a face massager. Face massagers are usually used to push in the product after you applied your toners or your serums. I don't know how I feel about this one, Alia.
सबसे पहले मैं लगाने वाली हूँ eye cream. Eye cream is very important. जो under eye cream है, eye के अंदर मत डालना. It's basically जैसे कि dark circles आपके eye के अंदर आते हैं. This is like the first area that gets very dry and looks very tired. So this is the first thing that I put. And while that stays.
Okay. So for all you curious people out there, she is using the Pharmacy Do It All eye cream. Now eye creams are basically really thick moisturizers. This one works particularly because it has hyaluronic acid and aloe vera, which is a win-win in this case. While I agree that eye creams are great for under eye dryness, whether it combats dark circles is questionable. Dark circles are a genetic gift, you see. And while your sleeping habits can affect how prominent they look or not, I think using eye creams is a great way to combat the dryness and depuffing it in some cases, but not so much to removing the dark circles altogether.
I'm gonna put this, one of my favorite products. This is like a
Mine too.
watermelon glow
Niacinamide, by the way.
Properly. Niacinamide. Niacinamide basically.
I love that
is
she's
amazing.
using this.
It's like a sort of like a vitamin जो आप अपने skin पे लगाते
I mean,
हो,
it is,
it
yeah.
gets rid of, it gets rid of any fine lines, pollution से protect करता है.
Niacinamide does it all. It's the best ingredient on the market, trust me.
Next thing to go on my skin would be niacinamide. Also, जो भी मैं अपने skin पे
Love
लगाती
that. So she is using one of my favorite ingredients of all time, niacinamide. Niacinamide does it all, and that's the reason why it's a cult fave. In the video, Alia is using the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops by Glow Recipe. Now, let me tell you why niacinamide works and why it's such an important serum. Niacinamide regulates oil production, boosts skin cell turnover, brightens your face, plumps your skin, and the best part, wait for it, it's good for all skin types. Can I get a little commotion for it? I know, when you heard the all skin types part, I know you got excited. Yes. Now, if you are a beginner who's looking to build a skincare routine, I would highly suggest that you add niacinamide to that routine. The reason? It's an excellent product. It basically does it all. However, the serum is kind of thick, so it's suggested that you use it at the very end of your skincare routine, just before your moisturizer. That way, you can pack it all in and still be hydrated. If you don't add niacinamide at the very end of your routine, it's a pretty thick ingredient, and whatever you add on top of it won't absorb into your skin.
Next thing to go on my skin would be niacinamide. Also, जो भी मैं
I
अपने
love
skin पे
this.
लगाती हूँ, मैं अपने neck पे भी लगाती हूँ.
This is one of the
तो
most
fine lines
important
वगैरह
tips
आते हैं.
anyone
Whatever
will
you put
ever
on your
give you in
face, you can
skincare.
put it on your neck and you can put on your
Absolutely. Your neck is the most delicate part of your body because the skin there is so delicate and thin. So best believe whatever skincare you're putting on your face, drag it down. Or rather, drag it upwards to avoid sagging your skin and affecting it further.
Okay, the next thing I'm going to put are these caffeine solution drops.
Okay.
It's totally healthy. But I don't think आपको लगाने की जरूरत
You definitely
है.
don't need to
लगा
do
के
it.
Under eye, again, थोड़ा सा
I feel like this is so subjective. She's on camera. She needs it. She needs to depuff it. And clearly her under eyes are a big area of concern for her. So I guess this is an essential step in her entire routine. So Alia is using the ordinary 5% caffeine solution drops. Now this is a step you could definitely skip. But for her, it's actually essential. As she mentioned that under eyes are a big area of concern. And since she's all the time on camera, it's a necessity for her. So I would suggest do it if it works for you, skip it if it doesn't. So I know she used an eye cream before, and you might question, why is she going with another one? Well, caffeine, as opposed to your regular eye cream, has great anti-inflammatory and soothing properties. And since she needs depuffing a lot, this step definitely works for her.
Done. I put moisturizer. Now which one should I use? I think I will use this. तो ये मेरा
She's clearly a Glow Recipe fan. Again, a cult product.
Moisturizer मैं उसका benefits मतलब I don't think I need to
Definitely.
say that to you. It's extremely important for hydration, especially अगर आप दिन भर काम कर रहे हो.
She's saying all the
या,
right
you're
things,
spending
huh?
so much time in the sun or in front of sun. I'll come to later, but like for me, I spend so much time in front of lights.
Lights, it causes dryness on your face. So definitely, I get why this is one of the most important steps in her entire routine.
Texture keeps changing, so you constantly need to moisturize. जैसे
Again,
आप पानी
true.
पीते हो, वैसे skin को भी.
Now, this moisturizer is hydrating, it's plumping, and it's packed with a ton of antioxidants, which clearly works for her.
Sunscreen.
Yes,
Right?
my
I thought
favorite step, by the
how
way.
important sunscreen is. लोग कहते हैं कि मैं sun में तो जा नहीं रही हूँ,
Absolutely.
Why should I put sunscreen?
Facts.
No. अगर
Facts
आप
on
अपनी ऋतु में जा
facts.
रहे हो, sunscreen लगाना बहुत ज़्यादा important है. So I'm literally putting sunscreen on, not too much, just a little bit.
I need a moment.
For my makeup. I mean, ideally I should
She's
have
taking a
sunscreen
pea-sized
before
amount.
leaving the house.
Alia, no. Oh my god. I think I need a moment. While she said all the right things about sunscreen, I think she undid all of that by taking a pea-sized amount on her hand. You definitely need more sunscreen than that. I don't think that amount is even enough for your nose. No offense, Alia, but I think you definitely need more sunscreen. And you need to reapply it every 2 to 3 hours for it to actually work. She said all the right things when she said, sunscreen is important and sunscreen, you should be wearing it even when you're not stepping out of the house. But girl, you need more of it. So technically, the recommended amount of sunscreen is half a teaspoon. But I like to go by the 3-finger method. That's 2 fingers worth of sunscreen for your face and 1 finger for your neck. Now, while reapplying sunscreen may seem like a Herculean task, and you might say, oh God, no, again? Yes, again. And you will thank me for it when you're older.
Okay. एक चीज मैं कहना भूल गई. All this I have done after cleansing my face.
Important.
बहुत important होता है.
I'm so glad she mentioned that.
Face wash. So you can use like a foam cleanser, gel cleanser, balm cleanser,
Oil-based cleanser.
Balm cleanser usually oil-based.
To take off your makeup.
If there's any makeup that you put.
Yeah, and she definitely puts like a lot of it since she's on screen. So that's a good step for her.
That's it. That was my skincare routine.
I'm so glad that she cleared that up because your cleanser is an essential part of your skincare routine. Even the simplest of skincare routines have a cleanser in them. So you guys, do not forget to cleanse your face before you even begin with your routine. Okay, so now it's time for our final thoughts. Overall, I believe that Alia has a pretty simple and solid routine, at least in terms of ingredients. She's using caffeine, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide. All work wonders on your skin. You could skip steps here and there depending on what suits you, but I believe this routine is absolutely perfect for her. However, I hate to bring it up again, but I'm really not over her sunscreen application. If there's one thing I want to tell you, Alia, is that you definitely need more sunscreen than that. Everything she uses is helping her skin depuff, stay plump, and stay hydrated. The niacinamide and the hyaluronic acid explain why she always looks like she's glowing from within. So those two are definitely great ingredients to add to your skincare routine. That's it, you guys. We're at the end of this video. As always, it's been a pleasure watching Alia on screen. Let us know down in the comments below if you want us to react to any other celebrity skincare routines. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you on the next one. Bye. Thank you for watching, but before you go, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more skincare related videos. Bye for now.